Welcome back to $10 Meal Deals. This is the last stop of our night, so you know it can only mean one thing. Tacos. Renowned on South Beach as one of the best places to get tacos, this is Taquiza. Let's go check it out. Well, I'm here with the man, the face, the brains. Steve, how are you, man?
Very good.
So, first and foremost, tacos, South Beach, it makes sense. How did you come up with this idea, though?
Tacos are the perfect street food. Just handheld, ready to go. Real quick, real easy.
Absolutely.
Just go to the beach, come back, have a bite, go back to the beach.
Just grab a quick taco, take a stroll down to the beach,
sure.
a couple cervezas, and we're good to go.
Perfect.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
South Beach is associated with, how should we say, pricier food.
Right.
Your prices up there, man, very reasonable. But,
yeah.
I mean, nothing but rave reviews is all we've heard, so what's the secret?
We're in South Beach and we want to be like South Beach, one of those guys.
Right.
I know the stigma of the beach, I know what it is, I know what it's like. So we kept it pretty reasonable, like local prices. The music is like local, hip-hoppy, it's like not this electronica.
Yeah.
So it's a little oasis in Miami Beach. It was like a selfish thing, we made it for us. So like we want to hang out here, we want to eat here. So
hey, look.
That's how it happened.
So I did see something kind of special also about you guys. Purple tortillas. You don't always see
Yeah,
that.
blue tortillas.
Blue tortillas, okay.
Yeah, so basically we just decided to do blue corn because nobody was really doing blue corn. It kind of became our thing, and we just kept it, and now that's like our whole ID.
And how did you get involved with tacos? I mean, you know, it's not just like you wake up every morning and you go, you know what? I'm an accountant, but now I'm going to go do tacos.
Kind of.
Really?
Yeah. So I was programming for like 12, 13 years.
Oh, wow.
Then I just did that, came up with the concept and worked backwards. So we're like, we're going to do tacos and it's going to be really good and we're going to make our own masa. And then we're like, all right, let's figure out how to make our masa and where to get the equipment and where to do this and that. So
if you had a top 2 to 3 tacos, what are you going for?
Man, I think lengua, the beef tongue, and then I love the chapelinas.
Okay.
Just 'cause it's so unique.
So for those who don't know, what is a chapelina?
So it's grasshoppers.
Wow.
So we get them from Oaxaca. They're toasted. They're nice, crunchy.
I'm gonna be honest with you,
You'll have
Steve.
one of those.
Yeah, you might have to
course.
turn me on to these bugs. I've had the chocolate covered and stuff like that, but grasshoppers is gonna be a brand new one for me. But I'm excited.
Yeah, it's
I'm
good.
ready to try
It's
this.
good stuff.
All right, well, can we hop back there and go see how it's
Sure,
made?
absolutely.
All right, man, let's go.
All right, cool.
All right, Steve, let's rock and roll. What are we gonna do first?
The first thing we're gonna do is what we're known for the most, which is our chips. It's not like any chip you've had. So pretty interesting.
Hey, look, that's a big claim, but I believe it. You don't go many places where they're like, hey, guess what? We also make our own chips. So,
yeah.
Please.
All right, cool. So here's like the blue masa we do out of blue corn, just pressed pretty thick. And that's it. We just grab it. Every order, we just rip it.
Just dunking on it in there.
Yeah. So you can see how they start to like just get real puffy and nice. Yeah.
Those are the best looking blue chips I've ever seen.
Yeah. When it sounds crispy, that's it. A little salt bay.
There we go.
And yeah. And we go over here. Dump it in here.
Guac made in-house.
Of course, yeah, everything. Everything. And then my favorite, do a little tahini. And just kind of.
This looks phenomenal. Sure. All right, Steve. Well, we just had the best blue chips I've ever had in my life. So what's next?
Next one, a taco that's pretty popular. And we didn't think it would be that popular, so it's a beef tongue. You know, it's a little tougher cut of meat. We could braise it beforehand, get it real nice soft, dice it up, so it doesn't look like a tongue anymore. And then we just hit it on the flat top, get it nice and crispy and brown, put it on the tortilla, and ready to go. There we go.
Where did you get the idea from? Beef tongue on a taco?
Just from eating at other taco taquerias.
Yeah.
So it's very traditional. Like, it's not inventive. I didn't create this. I'm just like paying my best homage to it. So see, now we get those crispy crispies. So I braised it in just bay leaf, onion, and Mexican beer for a few hours, and that's it. Very, very simple prep.
So what else we gotta do with this?
So this is how we would serve it to you that way.
Okay.
And then up front we have traditional garnishes. So you put your onion, your cilantro, radish. We have a few hot sauces we make in house.
Sounds
So
fantastic.
this is how you get it, and I'll show you how to fix it up real nice.
Perfect. Let's go.
Yeah.
right, Steve, I know we're about to go dress that taco, and that's cool. I want to go do it, but first, I gotta know about these chapulines.
Chapulines, yes, or toasted grasshoppers. Super crispy, super nice from Oaxaca. Not too bad.
No, I mean, you wouldn't.
That's your
You
line.
wouldn't
It's
really
not too
know.
bad, right?
No, it's not too bad, and you wouldn't even know what it was if you didn't tell me.
Exactly. Just like traditional way, super simple. Just like we do a little guac on the tortilla. We'll just get our little friends and just kind of do one of
Sprinkle them on,
those.
let them take a little
And
bath.
my favorite
in the guac.
again.
I do have to ask though, I mean, you know, it is something a little different. You're, again, introducing people to new tastes for their palate. How popular are they?
So I almost brought it in as a joke, like nobody's gonna buy this.
Right.
And man,
Really?
I'm buying way more grasshoppers than I ever knew I would have to buy.
All right, so we got our grasshopper taco.
Yeah,
We got our tongue taco. I think it's time for us to go dress them.
let's go.
All right, man.
Awesome.
All right, so first is the
Chapulines. Yeah. Texture.
crunchy, a little nutty from the crickets.
Yeah.
I'm still crunching on crickets, but it's like, it's awesome. I've never had a taco like that. Let's see what we can do with the tongue. My friend, you're 2 for 2. That is good. You are changing minds and changing taste buds. Hey man, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Delicious. Wow, what a day, guys. We started off with some delicious sandwiches, moved on to some fantastic stir fry, and closed off with some tacos. I can't think of a better day. Well, that about does it here for us today. I'm MJ, this is $10 Meal Deals, and we'll see you next time.